Hello everyone. Today's story is called Santa's Christmas Train. All aboard! Clickety-clack. Santa's train is on the track. Toot, toot, toot. The whistle blows. Climb aboard and off it goes. Up, 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 and down, down, down. Through the tunnel, past our town, seeing sights along our way, to see Santa on his sleigh. Special snacks for us tonight, minty stripes of red and white. Chocolate milk and cookies too. Tasty treats for me and you. Yummy, yummy. Jingle bells, we hear them ring. Christmas carols we all sing. Slowing down, we've come so far. Santa's village, here we are. Red and green are everywhere, bells of silver here and there. Twinkling lights fill up the night. Decorations shine so bright. Mrs. Claus is fun to see, lighting up the Christmas tree. Helping elves, we see them too, busy doing what elves do. Oh, ho, ho! And Santa's here, laughing, waving, as we cheer. Santa's sack is stuffed with toys, tied with bows for girls and boys. Santa says, "This one's for you. Christmas Day, you'll find some too." Strike a pose and click, click, click. Here's our photo with Saint Nick. We've had fun, but now we know to the station we must go. Up, 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 and down, 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 through the tunnel to our town. Back at last we wave goodbye, underneath a star-filled sky. Silent night, it's time to rest. We like Santa's train the best. The end. I hope you enjoyed our story.